How the machine be packed? How the machine be packed?
Okay, for the export machines, uh, normally we use wooden cases for smaller machines, but for the big machines, sometimes we use this plastic film wrapping, and with some moisture proof packaging, and also some moisture proof oil to make this prevention, because when we are making the transportation on the sea, it got decayed, and we need to prevent for it. So we use wooden cases and plastic film wrapping, and for customers, especially for the export customers.
Okay, the wooden case.
Yeah, normally wooden cases.
So, can you tell me the total power of the machine?
This depends on the machines. For the HBJ 800, the hamburger machines we just see,
Yeah.
the power of this machine is 5,000 watt.
5,000 watt.
Yeah, watt means 5 kW.
Ah.
Yeah.
Does your machine with C certificate?
Yes, like I said before, all our machines have this C certificate. That's why we have export many machines to European market, like Spain, Italy, Romania, and other countries and regions.